Elise, anong masasabi mo na pinaiyak mo kami ngayon?
Yes, thank you. Yes, I did not expect anything tonight and nagulat ako kasi I did not expect that ending. Alam mo, lahat na nangyari dun sa pelikulang yun, tinawid namin at I think nag-work siya tonight, lahat ng ginawa namin ni Bella, pero iba yung ginawa niya. Iba yung tawid na nangyari sa buong pelikula. I was expecting, sabi ko, paano kaya tatawid yung ending namin na sobrang sakit? And then, kanina sinabi ko, oh my God, it works, Caps! It works! Ay, oh my God. Gulat ako, I'm so proud of our director here. Alam mo, sobrang bihira kaming mabili ni Bella ng material at ng director at pinipili namin lagi na gusto namin maalagaan kami ng maayos at dito sa pelikulang to, I think naalagaan kami with our director and I love you! It works!
For me, lagi naman sinasabi na it's a collaboration kapag gumawa ng isang pelikula. Kahit gaano kaganda ang material mo or kahit gaano kagaling yung director or whatsoever, kapag hindi magaling yung artista mo or yung cast, hindi yan mabubuo. Hindi mo yan mabibigyan ng buhay. There's so much that a director can do. But at the end of the day, it's the actors pa rin yung magbibigay ng ano. So I would like to thank kay Bella. Kahit wala siya dito, yun, kung nasan ka ba? Hindi, nasa London siya ngayon. Ayun, maraming salamat kay Bella. And then also at the same time kay JC. You guys, you remember na nag-shoot kami, they have a lot of questions. And then, hindi kasi ako yung tipo ng director na sasabi ko, dito madadaling yan, ganito yung mangyayari na to. I'm just gonna give you some pointers and then everything is gonna be mystery sa'yo. Kasi hindi ko hahayaan na i-dictate sa'yo kung ano mo dapat mo i-execute yun. It's your job as an actor and I think tatapakan ko na yung area mo kapag ginawa ko i-dictate lahat sa ng bagay. Kasi every actor's different interpretation. So for all you guys, thank you.
Nagawa niya. It works. It achieved. Thank you.
At syempre, hindi natin ma-achieve din yan, Direk, JC, and the rest of the cast, and our friends here kung wala talaga si Astrud, di ba? Gusto niyo bang makita si Astrud? Yes! So please welcome Astrud Bella Padilla, our Philippine Queen of Hearts! Hello!
Hi guys! Oh my gosh, ending na yung napanood ko. Hi! Magandang gabi po sa lahat ng nanood na Wish You Were the One Tonight. Wish I was there at wish I was the one din na nakapanood. But yeah, thank you po sa lahat ng friends namin sa press, lahat ng influencers, the whole Viva marketing team for pulling this off. Thank you so much. Caps, congratulations. Nakita ko yung reaction nyo after direct. Maraming salamat. Panood naman ako. And of course, to the rest of the group that formed Wish You Were the One. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Napakagaling na artista na katrabaho natin dito. So happy na nakatrabaho kayo and sana hindi ito yung huli. Ayan, again, thank you so much. I really wish na panood ko kasabay niyo kasi narinig ko tawa daw kayo ng tawa dyan sa video.
Nakakatawa ka!
Bella, bukod sa nakakatawa, ang daming umiyak. So anong masasabi mo na Astrud, ba't mo kami pinaiyak?
First, thank you for joining tonight. Ako personally, I'm really sad I'm not there tonight. Lahat ng premiere, syempre dapat present tayo. I really wish I was there tonight. But yeah, thank you so much to everybody who joined the journey with us. Sa lahat na napaiyak na naman namin ni Caps. Pasensya na po. At mauulit muli.